Hello and welcome to a new lesson, Meaning of Artificial Intelligence. Meaning of Artificial Intelligence. The phrase artificial intelligence is divided into two parts. The first one is artificial and the second one is intelligence. Let's first talk about artificial. It refers to something that is made or produced by humans rather than occurring naturally. In other words, we can say what is man-made is artificial. What is not natural, that is to say unnatural, is artificial. Or what is imitative, what humans imitate of what is being reflected in nature is artificial. Now we move on to the second term, that is intelligence. And when we talk about intelligence, we talk about mind, understanding, comprehension. So we can say it is the ability to acquire, understand, and apply knowledge and skills. It involves problem solving. If you have intelligence, you are capable of solving the problems, whether the problem is easy or difficult. Reasoning. You can reason your mind. You can put something to logic. You can analyze from the scientific point of view. Next we have learning from experience. If you have intelligence, you learn from your experience. You learn from your past mistakes. You learn from what you have previously done. You improve upon previous task and adapting to new situations. So intelligence also helps you to adapt yourself, to change yourself, to accommodate yourself to new situations, to emerging circumstances. When we put these two terms together, like artificial and intelligence, they form the concept of artificial intelligence. Intelligence that is not natural. Intelligence that is man-made. In other words, intelligence that is processed, created, and made to happen, leading us to the emerging idea concept of artificial intelligence.